Really keep the core nice and tight. Remember to breathe. Fingertips touch every time. Make sure you get results. I hope you got your phone in the towel because you're going to need it in a few seconds. 3, 2, corner to push, push, push. Look at the corner. Very important. Go. Come on. Go. 3, 2, 1. Now get out. I'm checking doors. Get tight. Let's go. Exhale for time. Keep the core contracted. Support your legs. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Make sure your butt is down on that plank. See? Butt is down. Core is tight in that plank. 50 seconds. Go back and then faster. Faster. Then you go back to the core. As you exhale, go into a plie, arms come in between. 4, 3. Here we go to the other side. Take the body, back leg is straight, core to a deep lunge. It's okay to come up here if you're not as flexible. See how the hip comes forward, knees come close together to help you dig and push all the way through. Are you guys ready? 2, 5, 6, 7, down. 1, 3, 5. Push back. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Moving push-ups. Hit, hit. Push on the side. Get up and power knee. 5, 4, 3, 4 times to jump. Land softly. 4, 3, 2. Power knee. Other side. Fast. 2, 3, 4. Time to jump. Go. Everything's finished. Go. And 1. In and out. Action. We're at 3, 2. Push-ups. Come on. Come on. Go. 3. Look. Knees coming on. Release and work. See as again. You got 10 seconds. Get 1 more. Go. 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 We can do it. So work. Come on, y'all. Let's go. 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 Grab forward and get right back into it. Push. Work the abs. Remember, tighten it up. Come here. Let's go. You're working hard and hit it. I know you're working hard. It's being on you right now. Up. Go, go, come on, come on. Go. Get deeper is all about, okay? You gotta mentally go there. You can't let yourself give up on yourself. You're the only one you got right now. Come on. 1, we're going set. Go! Come on, go! One more step, one more step, one more step! On your mark! Set! Go! Come on, go! Come on, as fast as you can. On your mark, get there! Set! Go, go! You're ending your back. 3, 2, 1, grab some water. My goal is not to kill you. My goal is for you to kill yourself.